Okay, so this is something that it's asking, am I adult? Am I a teen? Am I a kid? We're going to put kid. Yes, I'm not a kid, so this should tell you something about being safe online. Here I can go in as a kid. A username, I'll just make one up. It's got to be something that is not informative about me. Okay, so all right, and then I just make up a password. It has to be 8 characters with 1 uppercase letter and 1 special character like a number or a symbol. Age, I can choose any age. It doesn't care. So again, this is how people can say that they're one thing and they're not. So you got to be careful about all this stuff, but also what information you give. So now it's asked for a username, which I made up, so that's not something that I have to worry about. A password, I should keep that somewhat safe so that nobody else can get into my account. But other than that, it's not too bad. If you know the asterisks, the red asterisks, they have to. And then of course I can put in any date. And it says we display your age next to your post reviews. Okay, so I mean this is not the month of my birthday, and this is definitely not my year. So anyways, and then you just go to next. And there's the privacy policy down there. So if you'd want to read that. Oh, maybe it's not following as a kid. There we go. Let's do this one. Okay, next. It's not doing. Oh, I guess I'm missing something. Let me try it again. There we go. Oh, I didn't have enough in there. Okay, so there we go. And then it says parents' email, so I'd put an email in here, and that I agree to the terms of the privacy policy. Again, click on here to get the privacy policy, so it tells you what you are agreeing to, what rights do parents have, what rights do Californians have, what rights do European individuals have here, how do you get consent from a parent of younger. So I mean, there's a lot of information in here. Okay, you might want to go through, see information that we collect on or through the services, personal information, what do they do with all of that? So you have all of that in there. So that's something you want to review before you sign up. And again, to do something like this, if it's your parents' email, then you better be asking your parents. Okay, and then you'd click on Let's Go, and that would sign you in, and then you'd be able to use the common sense. So, but that's how this is what this site would demand from you.